Hi everyone, today we are going to continue with our second poem, Poem 1, Say I Am by Trigger Neiman. I am the ring for an empty cola can, the scraping for an unwashed polish pen, the severe arm of last year's action man. I am the envelope on which the gun is gone, the sellotape where you can't find the end, the toothless stapler, springless bulldog clip. A dry out liquid paper that masks instead of mends. The stamp address reply that you forgot to send. I am the battery in which no charge is left. The starter motor which remains in it. The tire on which the track is worn. The sparking plug which shows no sign of spark. The carburetor chopped by bits of dirt. The commentary from which the shine has gone. I am a garden overgrown with weeds, a library book that no one ever read, a spread which no one thinks to be, a piece of good advice which no one seems to know. Okay, so what do we have here? I am the ring for an empty cola can. So this is the ring. What can we do with the ring? Okay, actually you cannot do anything with the ring. So most of the time we'll throw the ring away, right? Okay, wow, fried rice. Everyone is hungry. Okay, we're not talking about the fried rice today. We are talking about the one, the black color at the side. The striping for an unwashed porridge pan. Okay, what happened? This is a toy, the severe arm of last year Action Man. Okay, so this is the broken arm of the Iron Man. So do you still want the arm? Do you think your brother or your sister still want the arm? I don't think so, right? Most of you will throw the arms away. In stanza 2, we are talking about the stationery. I like to this. I am the envelope on which the gun is gone. Okay, so this envelope has no more glue. You cannot use it anymore. Okay, the sellotape where you can't find the end. Okay, so you cannot find the end of the sellotape, and so it's useless for you. A toothless stapler, springless bulldog clip. Okay, so this stapler cannot staple anymore, and the bulldog clip cannot use the clip anymore. A dry out liquid paper that masks instead of mends. Okay, so liquid paper cannot be used anymore. It only makes the paper worse instead of repairing it or making it better or correcting the mistake. The stamp address reply that you forget to send. So we already passed the date. Maybe the recipients would not want it anymore. Okay, now in stanza 3, we are talking about parts of a car. So the first one, anyone knows what is this? This is a battery. Number 2, anyone knows what is this? The sparking plug. I am the battery in which no charge is left. You're not the sparking plug, I'm wrong. This is the starter motor which remains in it. Okay, number 3 is the tire. What happened if uh, the tire is very old already? The tire in which the track is worn, so you cannot use the tire anymore. A sparking plug which shows no sign of. The carburetor chopped by bits of dirt. So the carburetor is the engine part, so it's full with dirt, so the car might break down anytime. And what do you see here? These are parts of a car that is shiny. It's the chromium trim. A chromium trim from which the shine has gone. So the car is very old already, and the chromium trim is no longer shiny. And in stanza 4, we're talking about other things. Okay, just like in stanza 1, we're talking about things in the house. In stanza 2, we're talking about stationery. Stanza 3, about part of a car. And in stanza 4, we are talking about other things. So here you can see this is a garden. I am the garden overgrown with weed. Weed means the wild grasses. So you cannot do anything with the garden that is overgrown with wild grasses. You need to clear it up before you can plant. And the library book is so dirty. The library book that no one ever reads. Why do you think nobody wants to read the book? Maybe because the book is not interesting, because the book is very boring. A stray which no one thinks to feed. Okay, so this is the wild cat and the wild dog. Sorry, this is the wild dog. Okay, so nobody wants to feed them because they might be sick and people might get infected from them. People might be bitten by them. And finally, the piece of good advice which no one seems to need. So nobody wants to listen to the advice. Okay, let's look at this exercise. Match the adjective in column A to the noun in column B. Okay, so empty. Anyone knows the answer? Empty, we have empty. Empty means kosong. Unwashed, tidak dicuci. Severe, patah. Toothless, yang tak boleh. Toothless, springless. Dry up kering. Stand, sudah diletak stand. Okay, so number 1, empty. Empty cola can. Number 2, unwashed, porridge pan. Number 3, severe, arm. Toothless, stapler. Springless, bulldog clip. Dry up, liquid paper. Stamp, address, reply. Okay, so these are all the things that we cannot use. And okay, this is a bit small. I will show it to you in the next exercise. Okay, let's look at the true or false. Number 1, the arm from a toy had fallen off. What do you think is the answer? Number 1, the answer is true or false? Number 1, the answer is true. Okay, number 2, most drink cans are attached with a ring for opening them. True or false? True. Number 3, it is more convenient to use envelopes that have no gum. Are you sure? Wrong. False. Number 4, a bulldog clip that has no spring cannot be used. Yes, it cannot be used because the spring has spoiled. The spring is missing. A car cannot be started without a starter motor. True. Liquid paper is used to underline important facts. Wrong. That is the highlighter. So number 6, the answer is false. Number 7, a garden becomes overgrown if it is not well looked after. The answer is true. Okay. Number 8, strength depends on food scraps given out by kind people. Number 8, true. A library book that is not read doesn't mean it's uninteresting. Do you think so? Okay, what do you think the answer for number 9? This hot question. A library book that is not read doesn't mean it is uninteresting. I think true. Okay, maybe the book is too thick. Maybe the book cannot be borrowed. Maybe the book is only a reference book. Okay, number 10, good advices are normally ignored. True. Okay, so nowadays people only learn when they do it. They refuse to listen to people. For example, teacher asks you to study or parents ask you to study, you don't want to study. Okay, so good advices are normally ignored. Okay, so that's the end of our lesson. Okay, see you again. Bye-bye.